I'm not going to stop. Chinese government cannot silence me. Clearly say that that was retaliation for my activism in America. As an American citizen, under my constitutional rights, the Chinese government is using our family members back home as a hostage to silence our advocacy work in abroad. I'll be keep doubling and tripling my efforts until her safe return home and the end of this mass incarceration. The Chinese government good excuse to label the Uyghurs as the extremists. Under that pretext, the Chinese government developed this complete surveillance police state, and also have about 3 million innocent Uyghur people in the modern-day concentration camps. Australia being one of the largest trade partners of China, Australian politicians should use the trade as a leverage to bring up this human rights atrocity. It will be really nice to see the support that they extend and spread the words of raising awareness, spread the words of this atrocity. Talk to their colleagues, talk to their communities, talk to their churches, and most importantly, contact their representatives and politicians to put pressure on China. It's supposed to be celebration of unity and the differences of the people and the culture. A country holding 3 million people in incarceration because of their ethnicity and their religion and race is the last country to qualify to holding the Olympic Games.